Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you to Ansarkari. I am Vikas Bhardwaj, your friend. आज हम ले रहे हैं एक ऐसी शख्सियत which you can say is a part of the idea of incredible India. जी हाँ, ऐसी शख्सियत जिन्होंने हिंद की शान को बढ़ाया है. Today we are talking about Shakuntala Devi, a modern genius, or you can say she is known as human computer. ये उस समय से जुड़ी हुई हैं जब हम जेंडर इक्वलिटी की बात फॉर्मली नहीं करते थे. शी हैज बीन इन द टाइम्स व्हेन देयर वाज नो कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ गूगल सर्च. ऑनरेबल शकुंतला देवी जी ने कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया not only in popularizing and making mathematics a very interesting subject, but because of her own genius she was considered as a child prodigy. She was not having any formal education, but at the age of 6 she went on to showcase her abilities at the University of Mysore. Not only that, she went on to outperform many computers and she made it to the Guinness Book of World Record. Most importantly, शकुंतला देवी जी ने एक कॉन्सेप्ट दिया माइंड डायनेमिक्स का. दैट मीन्स whatever she was talking, it was having scientific basis. But most importantly, इंडियन कल्चर और इंडियन प्लूरलिज्म को उन्होंने काफ़ी हद तक अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड राइटिंग्स के अंदर इन्वॉल्व किया. Not only that, at personal level, we can say that she is the first woman mathematician of India. Indian society have been conservative and also traditional in so many means. But traditional doesn't mean that the backward elements must be promoted. She always fought against backward elements. She went on to portray the fact that कि double burden women के ऊपर किसी भी हद तक जायज नहीं. She pioneered the study of homosexuality in India and wrote a book, The World of Homosexuals. She was a great pioneer and also a very open-minded woman from the fact that she took interest in active politics and she went on to fight against Indira Gandhi in Lok Sabha elections. हम जनरली कहते हैं कि ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में वुमेन कैन ओनली बिकम एन इक्वल पार्टनर when she is having political emancipation, when she is having economic emancipation, when she is having cultural emancipation, and so on. All these ideas were manifested by Shakuntala Devi ji in so many means. She was an accomplished astrologer. She wrote cookbooks and novels also. Why she is in news these days? Because there is going to be a movie in the coming time which is named on or which is based on the life and story of Shakuntala Devi, the true Indian math genius. So we believe that like Shakuntala Devi ji, you can also create a wonder and you can say create a systemic success under you if you're gonna follow each step of your life in a very strategic and dedicated manner. Keep on sharing your ideas, keep on studying smart. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and do get back for any kind of queries or any kind of concerns. Thank you very much.